tea room. Lovely place. This place is found in St. Martin's, Channel Island, Guernsey. Very beautiful place to be when you want to enjoy a cup of tea or a cup of coffee with cake or scones. It's a lovely place. It's blending with nature, and there are some nice buildings there, some old nice buildings. Looks like it was a hotel of some sort, or it's a castle. Beautiful place to be, really, because you can sit outside, enjoy the garden, the sun. It's very beautiful. This is one of the beautiful places I've visited so far. October 2024.